AI tools are the new JavaScript frameworks. Hear me out. For the past 10 years, we've seen nothing but huge battles between JavaScript frameworks. Everything from Backbone.js, YUI, React, Angular 1, Angular 4, Vue.js, Svelte, whatever else Teletubby framework was out there. Then we went into the backend with Node.js, Express, Nest, Next, Sails, Meteor. There was a million frameworks and we still seeing the same thing. Guess what? Same thing is happening with AI tools now. Should I be using Tabnine, GitHub Copilot, Cursor, Replit, and now Bolt? That new? And of course, then we go into the different models. Llama 3, ChatGPT, ChatGPT ChatGPT 4, 5, like Claude. My God, this is gonna be such a waste of time. Now you might say, Joe, well, this is the future. I gotta pay attention to it. Yes, pay attention to the tools that's out there, but choose one. All of these tools do the exact same thing, which is assist you as a developer. Some tools are going to be better to get you started. Some tools are going to be better for you to actually go in and get better code or have better context of which type of applications you're working on. But the truth is that if you're trying to build a software as a service, if you're trying to build applications for your job or for personal use, to be honest with you, focusing on trying to learn every single one is just a waste of time. What you care about is actually building. It's not about the tools. The tools can help you, but at the end of the day, it's you who makes the app. I know there's people that's gonna fight me and is gonna say, well, I need to learn everything that's out there. No, you don't. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. No, you don't. This is the same cycle that we went through with JavaScript frameworks. There's a lot of people that learned a million different frameworks and most likely probably just stuck to one, right? No matter what, because of the job. And then on top of that, most of them didn't even build anything, right? I mean, we're seeing it right now where there's so many developers that's out there looking for this type of content of what type of SaaS should I build? What type of, web application should I be building to make money online? A lot of you guys should have been doing this shit years ago, but yeah, I wasted so much time learning frameworks and learning frameworks over and over and over again every 2-3 months that at the end of the day, you have nothing to show for. Yes, there are some of us that made millions of dollars out here literally by just sticking to what we know, sticking to what we have access to, sticking to what works. Now, there's people that's over here that they didn't do shit. They ain't got shit to show for, right? I mean, we've been doing this since 2011, since I started going on this journey. And I can tell you that by me sticking to what I know and sticking to the skills that I already have, and whenever I see that there's a clear winner, then I learn it, I've been able to make more money than most developers. And it's because, again, it's not about the tool, right? Or keeping up with the Joneses. It's about actually building and delivering to the customers. There's people right now creating applications in next 12. They haven't even gotten to 13, 14, and whatever new version is coming out. They don't care about that. There's people like Peter Levels right now using PHP, jQuery, and Ajax. And minding their own business, learning skills that are required for whatever he's creating, not just learning skills to learn skills. That's the biggest problem that everyone has here. And it's just like this constant learning without actually producing anything. So I want you guys to hear me out. You have to be careful with all of this content and all of this stuff you see on Twitter, all of these things you see on YouTube, TikTok. You're gonna go crazy. I'm telling you guys right now, there's too much shit going on and too many things moving at the same time. And if you're trying to go and keep up with everything that's happening, you're not going to build anything. If a guy is doing Cursor AI and he's been using it for the last 3 to 6 months, Stick with it. Cursor is amazing. Claude is amazing. Guess what? You've been productive. Continue doing that. Don't stop everything that you're doing to now go in and say, whoa, I got to figure out how to do this with Bolt, because now Bolt seems like it's much faster to build this, and that. It's a waste of time. Well, REPL could come in and also help me out build the applications, and I could deploy it right within the platform. This is a waste of time. You already could do that with Cursor on your own applications, and you're already productive, okay? So that's what I'm trying to say. You have to choose, either you're going to be building or you're just going to be constantly learning. That's up to you. You decide what makes more sense to you. Something that you want to come in and say, well, I'm the expert, or I'm the guy that knows everything online and I'm getting, Twitter likes. Or you're the guy actually building shit and making money. Which one do you want to be? Okay. Again, guys, for anybody that's watching this, if you're new to the game and you're looking to get into the tech industry, this is what we focus on. Okay. We come in here on YouTube, we give a lot of good advice, and we try to help out people to help them on this path. Okay, so they could stay focused. Now, for some of you guys that have been wanting to get into the game, been looking to get into their own first job, guess what? There's no better platform than CodingPhase.com. Literally. There isn't. All the other platforms, they teach just the basics, the ABCs, the syntax, what's a for loop, what's a while loop, what's a function. That's cute and all. But teach me the things that I need to get a job. And that's what we do, right? We focus on career paths to actually get you results, get you into your first job, and then from there, continue to teach you more skills so you could go in and become a front-end developer, a full-stack developer, and be able to build your own applications. Come check out the platform if you guys want. If you're looking for that type of service, this is everything that we provide in CodingPhase.com. Pretty much no other platform provides all of this. Over 90 plus courses, the Tech Accelerator program, which is a step-by-step career guide holding your hands through the whole process, 12 hours of group coaching, right? We have different career paths from web producer, email developer, front-end developer, Shopify developer, back-end developer, full stack. And we teach all of these gradually. So at the end of the program, you can basically say, I'm a web developer. Today I can go and work handling content management. Tomorrow I could go in and work as a Shopify developer. But guess what? I can also be a front-end developer, and I can also be a full stack developer. This is what we call a web developer. Someone that can pretty much work in any type of job category within the tech industry. If you want to come in and check it out, come to the website, CodingPhase.com. Again, it's a great value. And when you click on the link below on the description, you're going to get 30% off. And you could also get a 7-day free trial if you like. Okay. So again, guys, it's your boy Joe back at it again, CodingPhase.com. Hear me out. Be careful with all of this tools. Just focus in one and start building. This is a golden age for developers. So take advantage.